Yesterday's summit showed that Ukraine still has friends who are willing to help. And this matters for Zelensky, who has been under enormous pressure following the falling out with Washington, and who looked visibly moved by the warm reception in London. Whether these friends will be able to provide enough help for Ukraine to continue resisting Russia is another matter. It'll take time and money. It's far from certain they'll find enough money, and time is clearly what Ukraine is running out of. These are the problems Keir Starmer's four-point plan is trying to address. Point number 1: keeping military aid to Ukraine flowing is the most important one in immediate practical terms. The other 3 points are about a potential peace deal, and this still remains a distant prospect. It depends on some degree of cooperation from Russia or a willingness to stop fighting. This Moscow has explicitly ruled out by saying it intends to capture at least 4 of the regions in Ukraine's southeast that it claims as its own: Donetsk, Luhansk, Kherson and Zaporizhia. What's also important is that even Ukraine's biggest friends have all but stopped talking about the things Ukraine wants the most: victory and territorial integrity.